The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome has arrived, redefining what it means to travel in style, comfort, and futuristic luxury. While Cadillac has long been associated with premium vehicles, their leap into the high-end motorhome market in 2026 has stunned the automotive world. This motorhome isn't just a camper, it's a mobile mansion, integrating advanced technologies, electric performance, and Cadillac's signature opulence into a groundbreaking recreational vehicle that pushes every boundary. What sets the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome apart begins with its design. At first glance, the exterior resembles something out of a science fiction film, with smooth, aerodynamic contours, a commanding front grille with Cadillac's light signature, and a sleek silhouette that gives the illusion of motion even when parked. The body features active aerodynamic components that adjust on the highway for efficiency, while retractable solar panels extend from the roof to boost energy reserves when stationary. Built on a custom electric chassis developed in partnership with GM's Ultium platform, the motorhome is fully electric, offering a range of around 500 miles per charge, which is significant for a vehicle of this size and class. Charging isn't a hassle either. With ultra-fast charging capabilities, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome can go from 20% to 80% battery in under 45 minutes using compatible high-speed charging stations. For off-grid adventurers, the vehicle includes built-in solar power and an energy management system that can sustain onboard electronics and climate control for days without recharging. The regenerative braking system further extends battery life and adds to the smooth, quiet ride. Step inside, and the cabin welcomes you with unparalleled luxury. The entire interior has been designed like a 5-star hotel suite, only on wheels. High-grade materials such as brushed aluminum, carbon fiber inlays, sustainable wood, and vegan leather upholstery create an ambiance that feels more like a high-end condo than a traditional RV. The layout is both intelligent and indulgent. A spacious lounge area features modular furniture, a retractable 65-inch OLED display, immersive surround sound, and smart tint panoramic windows that adjust brightness automatically based on sunlight and temperature. The kitchen doesn't cut corners either. Equipped with a smart induction stove, touchless faucets, a full-sized refrigerator, and even a convection oven, it's ideal for travelers who don't want to compromise on culinary experiences while on the road. Cadillac's voice-controlled AI assistant is embedded into every system, allowing occupants to control lighting, climate, entertainment, and navigation simply by speaking. One of the standout features is the master bedroom suite. It offers a king-sized bed with massage functions, climate-zoned bedding, and blackout features that ensure deep, restful sleep. The ensuite bathroom is equally impressive, boasting a rainfall shower, anti-fog smart mirror, and a composting toilet with odor-neutralizing technology. Every inch of space is optimized for utility and comfort, with ample storage integrated seamlessly behind minimalist design panels. Technology flows throughout the motorhome. It comes equipped with full Level 4 autonomous driving, meaning the vehicle can handle highway and even some urban driving without human input. For safety and convenience, the system can auto-park, change lanes, and reroute based on traffic and weather data in real time. While passengers enjoy their journey in comfort, Cadillac's autonomous system ensures a smooth and secure ride. Connectivity is another core element. With onboard satellite internet, 5G support, and an augmented reality heads-up display, the motorhome feels like a mobile smart home. Even when off the grid, travelers remain connected, productive, and entertained. The digital cockpit includes biometric access, facial recognition login for different driver profiles, and a centralized control tablet that can be detached for mobile use inside or outside the vehicle. Of course, luxury comes with a price. Starting at around $400,000, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is aimed at a specific market: affluent travelers, digital nomads, and those seeking the pinnacle of RV innovation. But for that price, Cadillac delivers an experience that truly stands apart from anything else on the road. In essence, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a vision of mobile luxury and technological integration. It merges the freedom of the open road with the sophistication of a luxury lifestyle, appealing to those who crave adventure without giving up refinement and comfort. Cadillac's bold step into this space shows how the future of travel isn't just about the destination anymore. It's about the journey, and doing it in unforgettable style.